So the conclusion of second property is that like poles of magnet repel each other, okay, and unlike poles of magnet attract each other. Okay, like poles mean north north, these repel each other. South south repel each other. Okay, north and south attract each other, south and north attract each other. Okay, third property of a bar magnet. Now this third property is very important. Okay, so it says that two poles of magnet cannot be separated by any means. Okay, so we can write here as two poles of a magnet cannot be separated, ठीक है, by any means. That means suppose I have a bar magnet and it is having two poles, north and south, and I cut it into two pieces. All right, as I cut this bar magnet into two pieces, what I am going to get? Two pieces, two small pieces of magnet. Okay, these small pieces will develop their own poles. Okay, earlier we were having only two poles, north and south. When we cut this magnet, this particular part will acquire south pole and this becomes north pole. Okay, so these two pieces which we get from this single piece of magnet, it is having these both pieces are having their own south and north pole. Okay, again when I cut this magnet into two pieces, I am going to get another two pieces, small pieces of magnet which are having their own north and south pole. Okay, that means कितना भी छोटा कर दो मैग्नेट को, कितना ही स्मॉल साइज कर दो, that small piece of magnet will have its own north and south pole. Okay, so that means north pole and south pole of a magnet cannot be separated. We cannot separate them. Okay, so these were three important properties of a bar magnet. Now you're quite familiar with this term which I'm going to discuss now is magnetic compass. Okay, you know that we use magnetic compass when we need to find out magnetic field, when we need to detect magnetic field. Moreover, this is used by for detecting the north direction. Okay, so if you want to find out the north direction or south direction, we take a compass, and if its needle is the north pole of the needle of this compass shows the north direction. Okay, so we use this compass. Now let's see what this compass is actually. This is a small aluminium box. This is a circular small aluminium box, and inside it there is a needle. Okay, there is a needle which is magnetic. Okay, so I can say that this needle is also like a magnetic needle. Okay, and this is fixed here at the center of this box, but this needle can rotate. Okay, this is free to rotate in horizontal plane. Now we have two planes here. This one is a vertical plane and this one is a horizontal plane. Okay, so this needle is free to rotate in a horizontal plane. That means it can show deflection either this side or this side. Okay, so in a horizontal plane this needle is free to rotate. Okay, so this is what a compass is, an aluminium box, and then it is having a magnetic needle pivoted at the center of this box, and it is free to rotate in a horizontal plane. So whenever it is placed in a magnetic field of some other magnet, this needle shows deflection. Okay, now what is the principle behind it? This is again then covered with a glass. Okay, so the principle behind this magnetic compass is that this is a magnetic needle, this one is a magnetic needle, and when it is placed in the magnetic field of some other magnet, it because of the attraction or repulsion of opposite or like poles, this needle shows deflection. Okay, the other important now we were discussing about the properties of magnet, okay, and various terms related to magnet. So there comes a term which is magnetic field. Now we are going to use this term magnetic field, then magnetic field lines and properties of magnetic field lines throughout this chapter. Okay, so magnetic field, when we say magnetic field, what is the meaning of this term? Okay, magnetic field, okay, magnet से बना है magnetic, तो किसी भी मैग्नेट के चारों तरफ कोई ऐसा एरिया जहां पर उस मैग्नेट का मैग्नेटिज्म एक्सपीरियंस किया जा सके, फोर्स ऑफ मैग्नेटिज्म एक्सपीरियंस कर सके, उस रीजन को हम बोल देते हैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ओके, सो सपोज आई एम हैविंग अ मैग्नेट, बार मैग्नेट. ओके, एंड लेट मी जस्ट शो द डायरेक्शन of magnetic field lines here, just like this. Okay, all right, so this particular region, in this particular region I can experience the force of this magnet. Okay, so this area is known as, this region is known as magnetic field of this magnet. Okay, so we can define it like the region, the area surrounding the magnet up to which its force can be experienced is known as magnetic field. Okay, so area around the magnet up to which, जहां तक, ठीक है, up to which its force, किसका, मैग्नेट का फोर्स, ठीक है, कैन बी एक्सपीरियंस्ड, उस रीजन को हम बोल देंगे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ओके, पता कैसे चलेगा? इफ वी प्लेस अ कंपास इन दैट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, अगर उस पर डिफ्लेक्शन होता है, इफ इट शोज डिफ्लेक्शन, दैट मीन्स वहां पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रेजेंट है मैग्नेट का. If it does not show deflection, that means there is no magnetic field of that particular magnet in that region. Okay, so एक एक्टिविटी है, उस एक्टिविटी से समझते हैं इसको. बेसिकली क्या किया गया, टेक अ कार्डबोर्ड, ठीक है, एंड देन स्प्रिंकल सम आयरन fillings on that cardboard. Okay, randomly you have to sprinkle iron fillings. Okay, so this is how we have sprinkled iron fillings. Now what you have to do, just take a bar magnet and place at the center of this cardboard. Okay, so I have taken bar magnet here and just placed it at the center. Okay, now gradually within a few minutes you'll see that these iron fillings, they start arranging themselves in a pattern, in a certain pattern. And what is that pattern? They arrange themselves, let me just show you. Okay, on the other slide. So this was the magnet, and then the iron fillings, they start arranging themselves in a certain pattern, and that pattern was like this. Okay, so this is how they arranged themselves. All right, let me just show you the previous one. Okay, so this is how earlier the iron fillings were placed on the cardboard, and as soon as you place the magnet at the center, you'll see that the iron fillings, they arrange themselves in a regular pattern. Okay, so this, up to the area to which the iron fillings arrange themselves into a certain pattern, that particular area is known as the magnetic field of this magnet. Okay, because the iron fillings, they experience this the force of this magnet, and because of that force they started attracted towards that particular magnet. Okay, and because of which they arrange themselves in this certain pattern. All right, so this is what a magnetic field. This is how we can show the magnetic field of a magnet. Okay, ओके, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड हमने समझ लिया क्या होता है। किसी भी मैग्नेट के चारों तरफ का जो रीजन जहां तक उसके फोर्स को हम एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं, दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। ओके, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की एसआई यूनिट होती है टेस्ला। व्हाट इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड? टेस्ला। ओके, इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज टी, कैपिटल टी से इसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, यूनिट है टेस्ला। टेस्ला क्यों इसकी यूनिट रखी गई? बिकॉज ये एक साइंटिस्ट होते थे निकोला टेस्ला, ठीक है, उनको ऑनर, निकोला टेस्ला, ठीक है, उनके ऑनर में इसकी जो यूनिट है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की, उसको यूनिट टेस्ला रखा गया है। ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि निकोला टेस्ला ने अपनी लाइफ में बहुत ऐसे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए हैं, बहुत ऐसे उनके जो आइडियाज थे दे वर सो इनोवेटिव, कि उनका जो आइडिया था बेसिकली वो एक आइडिया पे काम कर रहे थे कि विदाउट वायर वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई करना चाहते थे, ठीक है। तो उनका काफ़ी हद तक ये सक्सेसफुल भी हो गया था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ क्योंकि उनके पास फंड्स की कमी थी और इस वजह से उनका प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाया। अदरवाइज आज हमारे पास वायरलेस लाइटिंग और वायरलेस इलेक्ट्रिक पावर सप्लाई होती, मतलब विदाउट एनी वायर हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो है उसको सप्लाई कर सकते थे। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हमारे घर में आ सकती थी और एक सिटी से दूसरी सिटी जा सकती थी। ओके, सो उनका ऐसा इनोवेटिव आइडियाज थे, बट समहाउ वो पूरे नहीं हो सके। ओके, उनको ऑनर देने के लिए जो इसकी यूनिट है वो टेस्ला रखी गई है। ओके, एसआई यूनिट। नेक्स्ट इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, तो उस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में कुछ उस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन को दिखाने के लिए कुछ हाइपोथेटिकल लाइंस ड्रॉ की जाती हैं, जिनको हम बोलते हैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड lines. Okay, so what are magnetic field lines? They are used to indicate the direction of magnetic field. Okay, तो magnetic field की direction क्या है, कौन से पोल से कौन से पोल तक जा रही है। Okay, so हम कह सकते हैं these are the smooth curves around a magnet such that the tangent at any point of it gives the direction of magnetic field. Let's understand this with the help of a diagram. I have a bar magnet, okay, and these are the north and south poles of this magnet. Now it is, the definition says that these are the smooth curves. Okay, so let's just draw the curves showing magnetic field. Okay, so these are the curves which we have drawn here. Okay, so it is saying that these are magnetic field lines are the smooth curves around a magnet. This is a magnet and around it these are the curves. Okay, and it is saying that the tangent at any point of these curves give the direction of magnetic field at that particular point. So suppose I have considered this particular point, okay, and now I'm drawing a tangent. Now what is a tangent? जब आप किसी point के ऊपर एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करते हो तो उसको हम टेंजेंट बोलते हैं। ओके, सो हमने एक टेंजेंट यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट के परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन में, लाइक दिस, ठीक है। ये टेंजेंट मुझे डायरेक्शन दे रहा है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे, एंड इट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस साइड, ठीक है। देन इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे इफ वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट, देन ड्रॉ अ टेंजेंट टू इट। ओके, देन इट इज शोइंग दैट एट दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस इज this. Okay, let's see the direction of magnetic field line at this particular point. Okay, so let's draw a tangent and it is giving me the direction, something like this, the direction of magnetic field it is showing this way. Okay, so this is how at any point you can say that magnetic field lines, at any point of these magnetic field lines, if we draw tangent, we are going to get the direction of magnetic field. Okay, suppose if you want to plot magnetic field lines, I want to draw magnetic field line, how will I do this? So let's just see how we can do this, because magnetic field lines are not visible as such. Okay, so you have to, with the help of a compass, we have to actually find out the curves. Okay, so take a bar magnet just like I have taken north and south pole. Okay, place a compass here. So I have placed a compass here and it is showing reflection like this. Okay, so this is north pole, this is south pole. At this point if I place compass, it will show direction like this. Okay, this is north, this is south. At this point it shows direction like this, north and south. North and south. अगर आप यहाँ पे प्लेस करेंगे तो it will be like north and south. Okay, so this is how, if you follow these compasses, so you can see that this is the curve. So this is the magnetic field line of this magnet. Okay, so these are the curved lines. All right. So all in all, we can say that the smooth curved lines around a magnet, such that if you draw a tangent at any point of it, it gives the direction of magnetic field. Okay, so such smooth curves are known as magnetic field lines. Let's see the properties of magnetic field lines. So what are the properties of magnetic field lines? So first property is that outside the magnet. Now when we are saying that magnetic field lines, so we need to know that from where they emerge and where at which point they merge into the magnet. Okay, so if I'm considering outside the magnet, these magnetic field lines, they emerge from north pole and they merge into the south pole. Okay, so this is a magnet, okay, and north and south pole. So here I can see that the magnetic field lines, they are emerging from north pole and they are merging into the south pole. So this is the direction of magnetic field line outside the magnet. Okay, emerging from north pole and merging into south pole. All right. If I'm considering it inside the magnet, what is happening inside the magnet? This is north and this is south. Emerging outside, emerging from north, merging into south. This is the direction of lines outside the magnet. Inside, it is moving from south to north. Okay, this is a very important question sometimes asked in competitive exams, like inside the magnet, what is the direction of magnetic field lines? Is it from south to north or north to south? Okay, so it is from south to north inside the magnet. Okay, this is in the case of when we are considering magnetic field lines outside the magnet, and this is the case when we are considering them inside the magnet. Okay, so outside the magnet, magnetic field line direction is from north to south, and inside the magnet it is from south to north.